The pyramids of Egypt, monumental, mysterious, and nearly 5,000 years old, continue to leave the world in awe. Built with precision and strength, these colossal structures have withstood time itself. But how did an ancient civilization with no modern machines construct such masterpieces of engineering? To understand how the pyramids were built, we must first understand the people behind them. The workers were not slaves, as once believed, but skilled laborers, masons, and engineers. Many were farmers who worked on the pyramids during the flood season when their fields were underwater. They lived in organized worker villages near the construction site where they were provided with food, beer, and shelter in exchange for their labor. At massive limestone quarries, workers used copper chisels and dolerite pounders to break large blocks from the bedrock. The sound of tools striking stone echoed through the air as dust filled the site. The core blocks of the pyramid were made from this limestone, while the smooth white casing stones came from Tura, a quarry across the Nile. The hardest challenge was transporting the heaviest stones, granite blocks weighing up to 80 tons, all the way from Aswan, over 500 miles to the south. To move these stones, the Egyptians relied on their greatest natural advantage, the Nile River. Huge wooden boats, loaded with massive stone blocks, sailed downstream toward Giza. Upon arrival, workers unloaded them onto sleds, dragging them across the desert. But moving such heavy loads across the sand wasn't easy. The workers discovered that pouring water in front of the sleds reduced friction, allowing them to slide more smoothly with less effort. The pyramid was built with remarkable precision. The massive base had to be perfectly level, so surveyors used water-filled trenches to check for evenness. The sides of the pyramid aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal directions, showing the incredible skill of Egyptian architects. One of the biggest mysteries of pyramid construction is how the heavy stones were lifted into place. Historians believe they used a system of ramps, either straight, zigzagging, or wrapping around the pyramid in a spiral. These ramps, made of mud brick and limestone, allowed workers to haul stones higher and higher as the pyramid rose. It was slow, backbreaking work, requiring thousands of men to push, pull, and place each stone with precision. Building the Great Pyramid was no quick task. It took around 20 years, with an estimated workforce of 20,000 to 30,000 people working tirelessly. The final height of the pyramid was an astonishing 46 meters, 481 feet, making it the tallest structure in the world for nearly 4,000 years. When completed, the Great Pyramid was covered in polished white limestone, reflecting sunlight like a giant mirror. It must have been an incredible sight, gleaming in the desert, visible for miles around. At its peak, a golden capstone or pyramidion is believed to have sat atop, symbolizing the connection between the pharaoh and the gods. The pyramids were more than tombs, they were symbols of power, designed to ensure the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. Thousands of years later, they remain one of humanity's greatest achievements, a testament to ancient Egypt's engineering brilliance. The legacy of the pyramids extends far beyond their towering presence. They reveal the ingenuity, organization, and sheer determination of the ancient Egyptians, who mastered engineering techniques that would influence civilizations for centuries to come. Even today, scientists and historians continue to study these structures, uncovering new secrets about their construction, purpose, and the society that built them. The pyramids stand as a reminder of what human ambition and ingenuity can achieve, monuments to a civilization that, though ancient, still inspires the modern world. And now, your brain has just been boosted.